congratulations. I didn't see too many people in jail. I think I saw Dan got pinched over there. I think Mr. Booth went to jail.
Booth, your dad got pinched, man.
Adam, I saw you and Tati got a lot of grapes over there. Good job. Good job, guys.
Ryan, are you in jail? All right, Ryan, I come get you.
Did you get any?
Thank you again, everyone, for coming. Thank you again, Natasha, for your children, for hanging all the grapes in the vine. And hopefully we'll do it again next year. Thank you.
Yeah? Yeah. How much are they?
Yeah, great job. Congratulations to everyone on the committee for making this event a success, I would say. I mean, everyone just had a lot of fun with this Vinska Tergata. So hopefully we can do this every year. And we hope you tell your friends that
Look at you! Look at all the grapes you got. You didn't even go to jail.
But,
awesome! All right.
I got 4 of them.
Open. We got
Okay,
some
put 'em
lights over here, so we hope nobody's in a hurry to go home. We got lots of music and have a great night.
Gotta empty those.
Woo!
That's right.
Okay.
All right,
Lucked out.
Manny needs